Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to Rhonda's Try Artistry. I am a fluid artist in Sioux City, Iowa, smack dab in the middle of the United States. And today's video is about leftover paint and just trying to get rid of as much of it as I possibly can by making some art. So I actually have created something I really liked from leftover paint, and today I think they're pretty cool. I think they're pretty cool, but we'll see what you think. So today is all about leftover paint, or LOP as I call it, L-O-P. I know leftover is one word, but I still call it LOP paint. So today is LOP paint. I did a swipe technique on this one. Started with a dirty pour and then ended up swiping it. And I swiped it and I swiped it. And I swiped it with metallic white. So here is the painting. This one is blues and greens. And I did throw in a little bit of pink and purple just to add a little bit of color. But I like it. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, I really like it. And considering that this was a canvas that I did a piece of work on prior to, and I didn't like the piece of work, I decided to do the leftover paint over top of it. So, and it worked out really well. All right, thanks for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And please let me know down below what you thought about the LOP painting. And if you have done some paintings with leftover paint, let me know how they came out for you. All right, thanks for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Hi everyone. Okay, so this is a piece that I did clear back in March, and I have prepped it by making sure this had silicone on it, making sure that I got rid of that using baby powder and Windex. But this does have some streaks in it, so that will come through in the painting. So I thought, well, let's just do a LOP painting. So LOP is leftover paint. And the paint that I want to do first is, because I've got two of them, let's do the blue greens first. All right, so I'm just going to start pouring paint. I have no idea what's in these. There could be silicone, just don't know. Get my corners here, and I have the consistency of the paints aren't going to be the same either, because some of them are thicker, some of them are thinner.
Sometimes my leftover paints are some of my prettiest paintings that I do. It's amazing how that happens. Oh, this doesn't have much in it at all. Look at that.
I think I'm gonna put a touch of this pink just to have some contrasting colors. And the thing about these ones that I used this morning are really thin because I did a Dutch pour, so. And then some white. Okay, let's see how this turns out. So the first thing I want to do is I want to just kind of move it. And again, all the paint is different consistency, so some of it's going to run differently than others. Let's get it down there and off that side. Okay, and then now let's go back down this way and get the bottom over here. Let's get that corner. There we go. And then I'm gonna turn it. Come back this way. Get that corner over there. Get those sides over there. And then last, we're going to get this side over here. Let's get it back this way. Down that side there. And then back this way. Okay, so I like this. So I'm gonna keep, here, I'm gonna keep coming that way. Get that dark blue down there. See how cool that looks? All right, turn it. Bring it down this way. That way. And then straight back down. So again, this is lot paint. All of this is lot paint, so I'll be picking that up. But I'm gonna do the pink one first. Yeah, so see, that looks cool. So that could be like a background of something. I see some lumps in here, so I'm gonna get my tool, try to get that out. See a lump there? See a lump there? This paint's been sitting for a little bit, so it doesn't surprise me that there's lumps in it. Okay. Now that I've got this, I'm going to take the metallic white and I'm gonna swipe it. So that should be fun. kitty. My kitty. Can you see him? He's right here. He's in all my bloopers, it seems like. And there's like hair flying everywhere. Huh. Lay down. Hi everyone. We're gonna do a lop painting. A lop. L-O-P. Leftover painting.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.